Hey, Pablo.
Ow! What do you want?
Look at my new phone. You have to get it. It's so awesome. Look, it's like it's so cool. Look at it. Look at it. It's so shiny, and it's my favorite color, blue.
It's dating from like the first year of the world.
What'd you say about my phone?
I said it's a lousy phone.
Well, I say yours is lousy.
Well, I say yours is lousy. I mean, look at it. You can't even press the
Look at
buttons.
yours. It's black and ugly.
Well, yours is blue and ugly.
Well, mine is. It's not ugly. Look at this. It's like top model phone, and yours is like.
Mine is like
Yours is like.
yours is
no,
like so
mine is
fat.
like top model
Mine
phone.
is like slim
and yours is like.
yours is like a fat boy.
Mine isn't fat. Mine is
Yes.
good style.
Mine is long.
Yours,
Mine
it
is,
could slip through the little thing, a little thing, and just go bye bye in 2 seconds.
well, yeah. Well, at least I look good.
You saying I don't look good with this phone?
Yes, I'm saying that.
Well, I saying you don't look good with that phone.
Shush! I'm calling the president.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm calling the police for you
Thank you.
harassing me.
What? I'm calling the police first.
No. Yes, I'd like to make a call. Someone
Hello,
is harassing me.
Yes.
Yes,
My
right
friend
there.
Diego.
Pablo, friend, he's trying to like steal my phone.
No, Diego, friend.
He's
is
trying to steal my phone
No,
because he
he's
thinks
trying
it's
to
so
steal
cool.
my phone
He
because
thinks it's
his
so
is
cool
so year
because it is
one.
so lame,
That-
and he
that
thinks
like,
mine
oh
is
my
cool because which
gosh,
it
like,
is.
okay, bye
It
bye.
is cool.
Thank you.
Very bad.